What's going on, guys? Mr. Lucky Moto here. Got ourselves another car meet that we're going to. We are going to Lone Wolf Harley Davidson out in Liberty Lake, Washington. There's some car meets. We're going to be meeting up with Dylan. Meet up with Dylan on his Ninja 400. And then we're going to ride out there together. And yeah, it's going to be a fun time. It's a car show, but I mean, it's at a bike shop. So we're just going to go on the bike anyways. And I don't think they really care if bikes show up to the car meets. Woo! Love the bike life. Just gonna scoot on over here. Dude, it feels so nice out. I mean, yeah, it's a little cloudy overhead. It's blocking out the sun, but dude, it's just a beautiful day. I mean, look at it. Tell me this isn't beautiful. The weather is absolutely beautiful. It's comfortable. It's got all the right qualities of a good riding day. I'm happy. And most importantly, we have the bikes. Got some people golfing over here. I've always kind of been curious about doing this just to see how far I can shoot, how far I can hit a ball. I've just been kind of curious. Do a little bit of a ripperoonies. Woo! Got some twisties. I'm excited. I haven't ridden with Dylan in a minute. I've ridden with him like twice this year. Or, yeah, twice technically, because I rode with him once, just coming off a ride earlier this year, and once I was just sitting here chilling, and we were like, "Hey, meet up!" Yep, meet up, meet up. I wonder what it'd be like to ramp a dirt bike off of those jumps right there, or not jump? They aren't jumps, but they are, as a matter of fact, fucking dirt piles, which look like you could possibly jump off of them. I wonder what it would be like to take a supermoto or just a dirt bike and do that. It sounds like we're actually going to have a really big group here at the stunt lot. I know that Aiden's going to be there. I know my buddy Aiden's going to be there. I know that we're going to see Dylan, Oliver. Sounds like there are a couple other people. Someone might have gotten a new bike. I don't know. I wasn't fully able to hear Oliver when he called me, but it sounds like someone might have a new bike, so I'm kind of excited to check that out. What up?
What are you, gay?
Yes, I am. As a matter of fact.
Oh, word. Ninja guys, fucking Kawasaki. Hey man, I made a switch. No man, I'm a slut for the 400. Look at the new exhaust.
Yeah, I see it. It looks so good. How does it sound?
Good.
Yeah, here. Where's the key?
Here, I'm gonna throw this back on his bike.
Okay. Ooh, that does sound good. Just nice. Huh?
Try it.
Try it?
It's in GP though.
Never ridden a bike with a GP shift. So it's up?
Just don't overthink it.
Okay, sounds good.
Overthink it, you're gonna... Okay, up is...
What if I just popped a wheelie on this thing, 12 o'clock it?
You can, it's hard.
Honestly, this bike's pretty good, pretty quick. Damn, the brakes feel good on it. Wow. Wow, this thing's nimble. Woo! I'm kind of surprised. Damn.
Are you trying to ride my motorcycle?
You want to race?
No. I'm too fast.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, all right. That was a good one. Damn. That one wasn't bad. I'm gonna try getting it up a little bit and then maybe hitting the foot brake just to see what it does. Did you just get this?
Yeah.
Nice.
I got it from Corner Boy.
Nice.
It's a nice little. Adorable.
Yep. And now pull the clutch in and press the start button.
Post is so short.
I know.
Now what?
Just use your index finger.
And then what?
Press the start button. It's that one.
Now what?
All right, it's on. So now hold the clutch in, kick this down into first gear. Remember, 1 down, 5 up. Or this one actually I think is 3 up. It is?
Yeah, you have to like punch it a little bit.
All right, you have to really like slam it down into first.
Like I did.
Go forward a little, walk it, and then kick it at the same time.
Yeah, kick it. There we go. There we go.
Hey, you know what? All right. Oh, babe, hold on. Hold on. Babe, babe.
Have a good time. I want to go after her.
You know how to shit.
Dylan,
Yeah.
does she know how to stop?
It's like she didn't even give me time to instruct her.
I don't think she knows how to stop.
All right, babe. Pull the clutch in and slow. Pull the clutch in. Pull the clutch in. Pull it all the way to the bar. All right, now slowly apply the front brake. The right, slowly. Slowly, now slowly. Now come to a stop. Press it all the way. Keep the clutch in. Okay, next time give me some let me give you some time to actually instruct you how to ride before you take off. Oh my gosh, babe. So it's just like in the whatchamacallit, like the Forester when you were driving it. Remember how you had to pull the clutch or push the clutch in and shift gears from that, and you have to slowly let out the clutch. So that's how it's going to be. So you're going to be put it into first gear to start, and you're going to slowly release the clutch and give it gas.
That's what I thought because
Yeah, so you did that, and then you just kind of stayed there. So what you need to do to go to the next gear, you're going to pull the clutch in, put your foot under. See how your foot's under? You're going to shift up, and then you're going to slowly let out the clutch, and then give it some gas. Just slowly. Just not like barely any gas.
Oh yeah, definitely do not crank it.
No, definitely do not crank it. And then same thing for going up. And then it's the same thing for going down. Huh?
Probably freaked you out.
Yes, you freaked everybody out. So and then like I said, when it comes to stopping, pull the clutch in and pull the brake ever so slightly.
Okay.
Like barely, to the point where anything.
Oh, this is normal. It reminds me of my brother's dirt bike. Sorry, my brother's bike.
And then
That wasn't scary at all.
huh?
That wasn't scary at all.
No, this thing's small. So what I'm saying,
To start this?
yes, to start, try this. So pull the clutch in. You're gonna shift it in. And so what I want you to do right now, let out the clutch until you feel the bike start to lurch forward like that. So like just slowly let out the clutch. Then it'll lurch forward a little bit. And now pull the clutch in.
Oh wait, pull the clutch in?
Yeah, so just all you're doing is figuring out where the bite point is. So now the bike's starting to move forward, pull the clutch in. Pull the clutch in. Pull the clutch in. And now, so now just do that again. Just practice that. Now pull it all the way. You want to pull all the way to the bar. Now let it out. And get to that bite point. Okay. So now when you're doing that, so when you reach that bite point, you're gonna give it a little bit of gas. The bike's gonna take off a little bit faster, and then you slowly let out the clutch.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, I'm good. I'm just taking the time to properly teach her now.
Okay, I'm like, I just want to make sure because I was just like, oh, hopefully she didn't wreck or anything. So.
Oh no, she's good.
It reminded me when I did it on my brother's bike. So honestly, I was like, okay,
Here, babe. Let me get off the bike real quick. I'm gonna turn it around.
Well, here, we'll meet you guys up here then. I want to let them know if you guys want to chill up here.
Okay.
Head out, so.
Oh, we're gonna head out.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, fair enough.
If you guys want to stay up here,
Okay.
I'll let them know. I'll be right back.
Okay. But yeah, so hey, you got your first experience.
That was fine.
Yeah. Well, other than the fact that you took off way before you should have.
What do you mean?
Like I was going to give you actual like proper instructions. Like, huh? Yeah, I was going to. I kind of figured that was a given. I was like, here, let me teach you how to ride.
No, I just took off.
Yeah, you just kind of went, and that's why I hopped on my bike. And like, I don't know if you noticed, but I fucking flew up on you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Did I scare you a little bit?
Yes, you did.
That was so
Very much so.
What?
Very much so.
That wasn't scary at all, though.
Hmm?
That wasn't scary at all.
Yeah, for you.
For me, I was like, oh my gosh, I can really do.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right.